Everybody, so today you're not here, or maybe you are here, but we're still working on something else. So we are going to build bridges virtually since we're not in person. So I'm going to give you the instructions on how to do this, and I'm actually going to do this in real time on my new computer. So you want to go to Google Chrome and open it up. I'm going to put this link in here. It is bridgedesigner.org. Download. Okay, so we want to download this, and so you have a Macintosh computer. So it says 2016, so you click on that. And that's going to take you to this screen, which gives you a bunch of different choices, but it'll just start downloading automatically. So don't worry about any of this other stuff. Now this is a free program, and it's a fantastic program. It is a CAD program designed by the U.S. Department of Interior just to build bridges. And it's got all these simulations you can run. It calculates forces. It's really cool. I like it a lot. All right, so I'm almost there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Boom. Come on. Cool. So once it's there, you just click on it. Don't worry about any of this stuff. In fact, I'm going to close this whole window. So it'll take a second to install, and it'll pull this screen up. So I want you to take that and drag it into your apps. No, not like that computer, thank you. No, not like that computer, thank you. Okay, so it's in my apps folder now. So if I press F4, I go to my apps, it's not there. Cool, oh, there it is. So I'm going to click on it now. So it opens up, and it says app download from the internet. You sure you want to open it? Yes, I am sure. It's a good program, by the way. So it opens up, says Bridge Designer has improved support. You get a test, full style graphics, like cool, thanks. So you can either create a new bridge or load a sample, load example. So you just press, okay, I'm going to create a new bridge, and it shows you all these different requirements, right? Height, etc. And you can change all this stuff too, right? So we don't want this contest code. We just want to say no right here. So you click next. And look, you can change the deck elevation, so I can make it shorter. I can make it taller. I like to do 24 meters. Arch abutments are this thing, so it looks like that, which is pretty cool. But you could just do standards. A pier is a different type of span. See, so there's like stuff down there. So I could actually change the pier. So I've got something in there. I would prefer you not use a pier just because it's more authentic that way. And you could even do like cable anchorages if you wanted to do like a suspension style bridge. So it shows you there's the riverbanks, there's the excavation, there's the river, there's the deck. And it shows you the site cost. Right now it's $63,000. So I'm going to go next. So you can pick medium strength concrete or high strength concrete. I usually just keep it at medium. Standard, permit loading, you don't want that. You just want standard. That's a lot harder. And then I finish. And it opens it up and it shows me, look, there's a floor beam, there's the asphalt, there's the concrete deck. And so now what I can do is I'm going to move my face over here and show you, you've got some tools right here. So check this out. I can take that tool. I'm going to put a thing right here. Have some announcements.
Good morning, middle schoolers. We are so happy to have you back at school. And
We
I hope
are.
you're having a good morning. Today's an A day, so classes are 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 announcements for you today.
So I made all these.
Please be sure to follow all safety protocols,
And then I'm going to do here.
Following the one-way stair markings, properly wearing masks,
And you just
staying
click
at
and
least 2 to
drag.
3 floor tiles away from others in the hallway, not waiting for your friends outside of
And it
class,
shows me each of the
frequently
beams.
washing and sanitizing
Also shows me
your
the
hands.
price.
6th graders will eat lunch in the cafeteria, and 8th graders will eat lunch in the conference hall. Students will take school pictures for the yearbook on Monday, October 5th and Tuesday, October 6th. You will take pictures during your English class. Please come to school ready for your pictures on those days. Today's quote is from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Even if I knew that tomorrow the world would go to pieces, I would still plant my apple tree. Thank you. That's all the announcements for today. Happy Chuseok!
Happy Chuseok indeed. Now, you'll notice I'm making each of these beams, and it shows me the beams and the joints. I wouldn't advise dragging the whole thing, because that would mean, like if I did here, that's just one beam. We don't want that. You want separate beams, right? Because if you just drag it, one long steel beam is going to be a lot less durable. I'm going to do the same thing here on the bottom of my bridge. So I'm connecting these joints with these beams. So I made a bridge. If you look up here, my bridge cost $298,000, which is a lot. Now here's the best part. You can test it, and the testing is super awesome. So see this thing right here to test? I click on that, and it animates. Oh, my bridge fell. Wah, wah. And the car can't even drive across. Bro. So it collapses like that. So obviously my bridge is not strong yet. Now what's cool is, look, it shows me where the weak parts are. See, so it says these beams are, they're not dealing with that stress well. So if we look at this table shows us the force and compression. Remember we talked about compression? And here it shows us the tension. So you want both those numbers to be low. They're high, especially those middle ones. And it shows me, so if I click on this beam, it actually shows me what beam that is. Isn't that cool? So it's showing me where the faults in my bridge are. So probably a thing I could do is I could add a couple more supports right here, 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 here. And then I'm going to add some more beams connecting those. Now this is an expensive bridge. Right now I'm at $317,000. Let's see if that does anything. Ready? So we're going to test it again. Test. It still collapses. Wah, wah. So it's like, bro, you're not strong enough yet. Strange. Perhaps I need to do more like this. Oops. That's not what I wanted. So you notice I made a mistake there. If I made a mistake, I just go to this eraser and I click that, and then I can select the thing I want to erase. Boom, it goes away. But be careful because it erases everything. So let's fix that. So let's try this again. So I'm trying to support the areas that are weak with additional joints. This might not be the best way to fix this problem. There's a lot of ways to fix this problem. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Ready. Draw again. Mr. Bycraft. So, all these guys have a lot of problems. So how do we fix those problems? That is up to you. So that's your job for today. Create a good bridge. Take a screenshot of your bridge. Take a screenshot of your bridge being successful. Highlight the money and show me how awesome you are at virtually bridge building. And this will probably give us some insight into building our artificial bridges. All right. Have a good day. Stay out of trouble.